about how big these cookies are. I mean, they cover my whole hand. These, you know, you've heard of the cat head biscuits. Well, these are the cat head cookies. Alright folks, we are going to make some cookies today. We're going to make some chocolate chip cookies. Now, here, we're going to mix our wet and our dry ingredients separate. That's why we have two bowls out on the table. So first we're going to get started off with our dry ingredients. I've got my two little helpers with me today. We're going to get these done. We're going to get them in the oven. We're going to have some awesome cookies. So Connor, I want you to do the dry. So the first thing into the dry, we're going to add the flour. So if we grab the flour, okay, drop it in there. Alright, now we're just going to mix that up real easily. Just get all that incorporated. You want to try? There you go, nice and easy. Hold the pole, there you go, perfect. Alright, set that off to the side. That is 1 cup of unsalted butter. A half a cup granulated sugar. The brown sugar, this is dark brown sugar, and that is 1 packed cup of dark brown sugar. Alright, now, we're going to cream all that together until this gets light and fluffy. Alright. We need to add vanilla. Okay, so vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, we got 2 teaspoons of that. Add it in. There. Now we're going to add the eggs 1 at a time. So we're going to mix a little bit. Hold this, Lena. Dump it in, good job. Yeah. Dump it in. We got to add a little bit at a time. So mixer on low, and we're just going to mix this until it's incorporated. We don't want to overmix. Alright, everything came together? You'll be okay. Alright, now, last thing we do.
Chocolate chips?
Chocolate chips. Dump in there.
Stop. Connor dumps the rest.
Alright, so we need about 3 tablespoons per ball. So that's 1, okay? So hold your hand out. There's 1. That's about 2. And that's about 3. Alright, now roll that up into a ball. And this doesn't have to be precise, just yes, there's 1 for you. Roll it in the ball and then set it down right there in the corner. There's 2. Hold your hand up, don't drop it. Sure. Now roll it in the ball. Yes, this makes a big cookie. That's okay. You need a little more of a ball than that, Connor. It's kind of flat. We got the cookies all rolled up. Now they have to go into the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. You don't want to put them into the oven right now because they will just flatten out. So we are going to put them in there and let them sit for about 3 hours in the fridge, and then we'll come back. All right, now we have them out of the refrigerator. We've got our cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Just going to transfer some of these to some bigger sheets. They're pretty good sized cookies.
Yeah.
Hold on. Slow down.
They also look delicious.
Yeah. And we have preheated our oven to 375 degrees. And we're going to let these go in the oven for about 9 minutes or so. I'll let you know the exact time. As soon as they're done, we'll bring them back out. And we're just looking for a dark edge, but we still want them soft in the middle. All right, well, the cookies are done. We've let them cool. The kids are about to kill me because I made them wait till after they had dinner, but it's time to get a cookie. And just to give you a little reference about how big these cookies are, and they cover my whole hand. And these, you know, you've heard of the cat head biscuits. Well, these are the cat head cookies. So now we're gonna give them a try, and we'll let you know what we think. They have that crunchy crust. They're soft in the middle. They're awesome. I think Gabe wants one too. Well, you can't have one. You know, we may have to make these for Santa. What do
Yeah.
y'all think?
Yeah.
Well, folks, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoy it. We had a blast making them. If you need a cookie recipe, I'll have this available on my website. You can find that in the description down below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the red button down there. Subscribe to us. We'd love to have you along on our journey. And as always, from our family to yours, love y'all. God bless.